This is my experience of Ace Finishes in Huntingdon, a body shop that I used in 2019 to do some rear quarter respray work. Just taking out some scratches, some scuffs, and I also had the bumper done. I took the car back within a few months for one panel because it wasn't exactly the right colour and it was obvious it was wrong. Anyway, one of the bulbs in the head tail lights went recently. And obviously I needed to change it. I had to take it was the driver's side, it was this one. I needed to take it off. It was being glued in. They're using some of this Bondo stuff. Why? Because they'd broken it. Instead of unbolting it, on an Audi, you have these bolts. Right? It just comes in through the back, unbolt it, slide it, pull it off. Simple. The goon they used to bloody well do the work ripped it off. He ripped them both off. I think I met him. I don't think he was 100% there, to be honest. Their attitude was, well, it's an old car. I haven't been back and talked to him about these lights. It's too many years, so I can't prove it. But I know they did the damage because I've had these lights off at various times to change bulbs. I've had this car since 2009, so I know these things are, you can see why they want to repair them. You're probably looking at the best part of 400 quid. Well, maybe 350 to 400 to replace these. I'm going to repair them. The car's it's in good nick, but you know, it's not something I'm keeping. So don't use Ace Finishes in Huntingdon, Godmanchester. Yeah, my experience is they don't look after customers' property.